Example 5, Unit 7, adding two-digit numbers, sums beyond 100. Unit 7.1, we're going to be adding numbers using 20 to 99. Let's look at example A. We're going to start off with the ones column. 2 plus 0 is 2. When we look at the tens column, 9 plus 2 is 11, but because there's no other columns beyond that, we just write the number 11 for a final answer of 112. Let's look at example B. Starting with the ones column, we have 9 plus 1 is 10. So we're going to write down our 0, carry our 1. Over in the tens column, our answer is 15, but right now all we see showing is 10. So what would we have to add to 10 to equal 15? The second missing number is 5. Unit 7.2, adding numbers using 30 to 98. Example A, we have three numbers that we are adding together. We're going to start in the ones column. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Go to the tens column. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16, which will write the entire number down. So the answer is 168. Example B. We have a missing number we want to fill in. So what number plus 8 equals 3? Well, that doesn't quite make sense. But if we look over here in our tens column, we see that we have 4 plus 5, which is 9, but there's a 10 as the answer, which means a 1 at some point had to get carried. So now we can say that 1 goes with that 3. What number plus 8 equals 13? That would be the number 5. Unit 7.3, adding numbers using 40 to 97. Example A, adding together the ones column. 0 plus 5 is 5. Adding together the tens column, 6 plus 4 is 10 for a final answer of 105. Let's look at example B. We have two missing numbers that we want to fill in. Let's look at the ones column. What number plus 2 would equal 7? Well, there is one. That would be 5. Let's look at the tens column. 6 plus what number equals 13? Okay, so what one number that when you add to 6 equals 13? That would be 7. Unit 7.4, adding numbers using 50 to 96. Example A. Starting with the first column, 8 plus 0 is 8. In the tens column, 5 plus 5 is 10 for an answer of 108. Let's look at example B. We have some missing numbers going on here. Let's look in the ones column to begin with. 2 plus what number equals 4? 2. Now let's look in the second column. 9 plus 8 is 17. So our final full answer is 174. Unit 7.5. Add numbers using 60 to 95. Example A. 83 plus some number equals 155. Well, let's start with the ones column. 3 plus what number equals 5? That would be 2. 8 plus what number equals 15? That would be 7. So our full missing number is 72. Example B. We're adding together three numbers here. So let's start with the ones column. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. In the tens column, let's do 6 plus 8, which is 14, and 14 plus 4 is 18, for a final answer of 186.